In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify discount codes and automatic discounts. We'll walk through creating an automatic product discount from start to finish. And I'll share helpful context so you can choose the right settings for your store. First, open your Shopify admin and head to the Discounts section. This is where all your codes and automatic promotions live. Click Create Discount to start a new promotion. From the options that appear, choose Amount Off Products. This type reduces the price of selected products or collections. You'll notice Shopify supports two methods: a discount code, which customers type in at checkout, and an automatic discount, which applies on its own. For this walkthrough, select the automatic discount method so shoppers see the savings without entering a code. Give your discount a clear descriptive title. This isn't customer-facing everywhere, but a good name helps you and your team track what's active, like Spring 20% Selected Tees. Next, set the discount value. You can choose a percentage or a fixed amount off. Percentages scale well across different price points, while fixed amounts are great for promoting specific items. For example, choose percentage and enter the number you want to take off. Decide what the discount applies to. You can target specific collections or specific products. If you want to highlight a few items, choose specific products, then click Browse. Find and select the products you want included, and click Add to confirm your selection. This keeps the promotion focused and prevents accidental markdowns on items you don't intend to discount. Set your minimum purchase requirements. You can leave it with no minimum, require a minimum purchase amount, or require a minimum quantity of items. Minimums are useful for encouraging larger carts, so pick the rule that aligns with your goal. Configure usage limits. If you're running a limited time offer or controlling budget, you can cap the total number of times the discount can be used or limit it to one use per customer. These controls help prevent misuse and keep your promotion sustainable. Choose your active dates. Select a start date and an end date so Shopify automatically turns the promotion on and off. Double-check the time zone and timing, especially for launches tied to campaigns or emails. When everything looks good, click Save. Your automatic discount is now ready. Customers who meet the criteria will see the price reduction applied during shopping and at checkout, without needing to type anything. You can return to discounts anytime to edit, pause, or duplicate this promotion for future campaigns.